Doho ma Kibra ogoyo David Gichuki fuai tok yude gi ketho mar kelo thoo mar jomoko adek e masira mar apaya kama ne oting'o wuod Gladwell Otieno mar riwruok mar Africog. Jang'ad bura David Gichuki omiyo Gichuki fuai mar Sh200,000 kata twech kuom higa achiel ne ketho ka ketho. Anyuola mar joma nowito ngimagi kata kamano okwedo ng'etono kagiwacho ni ok omigi ratichgi. Jakend ratich oganda Gladwell Otieno ma wuode Silvano Otieno en achiel kuom jogo mane otho e masirano. Wacho ni ng'eto makamano ok odewo lit mane gikale tok wito jogi. Gladwell wacho ni kata obedo ni burano oyal kuom higni 11, ng'etono chalo anyiera ne anyuola.
Each of counts 1, 2, and 3, where he had been convicted of causing death by dangerous driving, the accused person shall pay a fine of Kenyan shillings 200,000. In default, serve 3 years imprisonment. In count 4, the accused person shall pay a fine of Kenyan shillings 30,000. In default, serve 1 year imprisonment. The driving license of the accused person is hereby cancelled for 2 years, and there will be a right of appeal within 14 days, both to the conviction and the sentence that I've granted today.
For us to then get to the point after all this struggle to find that it's a non-custodial sentence in that he can either pay a fine of about 630,000 shillings or possibly serve a sentence in jail makes me feel like there has been no justice that has been served.
After 11 long years, and we really cannot give an account of what we've gone through from the moment we learned about this accident, to give people a true impression of what it means to struggle for justice in this system. This sentence is a slap on the wrist, and it does not send the correct signal out to the people of Kenya about the value of human life and about the importance of cautiousness and prudence on the roads. So we feel we have not received justice.